Incoming. Box Chevy project in full motion. Boxes. I'm gonna have to empty these boxes so I can put things where they need to be. Like I said, Box Chevy in full effects. Yeah. When you're doing your thing, ordering your parts, it's very important to inspect your parts when they show up. Because had I not looked in these boxes, I got window felt and I got window felt again, which is, I see it on the list, something I ordered, but I thought they were two different things. So one's got to go back. This stuff isn't going to be put in use for quite a while, and so if I wouldn't open the box for the Box Chevy project, it would have been left in a box and you'd be like, hey, a little late to take that back. So yeah, good thing that you gotta look at your stuff when you get it and make sure it is what it is. I definitely needed that, yeah. And so yeah, so that's where we at with it. We got front seat foams, brand new radiator support, convertible top hose, bumper braces, seat belts, new door locks and keys and all that. Emblem for the door handle. For the stern wheel, door handles, front window seal. So yeah, when you order your stuff, make sure you inspect your bags when it comes and put it somewhere where you don't forget about it and order it twice. I've had that happen on other projects where I have duplicates. Then you find out you got duplicates, you've had too long, too late, can't send it back. Gotta go.
Brand new, pretty much.
Okay, so it'll all be brand new. I gotta start the video all over again. No, okay, so we're gonna, let me slide up in here, y'all.
Yeah. Careful.
Yeah, a lot of sharp edges. So the next step is gonna be to this. We're gonna get inside of here.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the
I'm gonna see. I think those other ones, the inners that I have, because it looks kind of beat up.
Yeah, I see. Because it looks like you should chop it from
right
about here to here and take that section out.
Yeah, maybe. See how when the way I shine, see how it's pitted right here?
Yeah.
Because if I remember correctly, the other one was cherry.
So you might.
This galvanized. These ones are supposed to be galvanized, so for it to be rusted out like that, it's pretty bad.
It came from Ohio, I believe. This car.
Shit, yeah.
And so it's been through some winters.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So back to our original question was, okay, so when you go to get it ready for the sandblasting, basically you're gonna
changing all the metal pretty much.
Yeah, that's what I told my friends. They said, why you call it a Box Chevy? Because all this car is in a...
Hey, it's coming in a box.
It's coming in a box. That's why it's called Box Chevy. And I said, how much you saving in the car? The radiator support, the front cowl.
Yeah, pretty much.
And damn near everything else got to get switched out to make this this project going. So like I said, we're locked into it.
Yeah.
So we got to keep on rolling with it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. That's about all I had to say. Any other thing else I need to know up here about any up here? This is...
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet?
No.
Okay.
I haven't gotten too far into there. Like I said, I just cut it right there to get the main section of the floors out so I could open these rockers up and see what was going on. I remember there was a big hole in them before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the other floor pan ends about right up in this area right here, right? So that's why you chopped it right there.
Yep.
To see what was going on.
Yeah, that's the factory seat.
Oh, okay. So
did I tell you about the cage nuts?
What cage nuts? The ones that talking about the ones
need to go in here.
Yeah, you said that, but I didn't know what you talking about. And as soon as you said it, I just locked in what you had said.
Okay.
It's them ones that are be inside of the bottom of the car. Yeah. I got an idea what he's talking about. It's the kind that be locked in there in the hole, so that
Yeah, so it don't move.
So it don't move. And I said, okay, well, maybe Joe got an answer for that. Which my answer was going to be, I can look into it, but I think it's going to be a scenario of weld a screw, a nut into it.
Yeah.
And see and line it up the best you can, and weld into it and lock it in place. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, I just did that. I'll show you right now. I just did that to that other one over there. I had one. I had one you could really see it.
Oh, I know what it looks like because I've seen them in the back of the cars before.
Get that and these plates. These plates are toasted.
Okay. Yeah, because this is mine over here. So yeah, those cage bolts things would go. Oh, okay. Okay.
But you did a while back. You did the same thing too. But see, that's for the other supports for the convertibles.
Oh, okay.
And then the one up there and one right here.
Okay. Oh, question on my car: are you gonna put the whole quarter panel in, or are you gonna cut it into sections you need it?
We just cut it where we need it.
That's what I thought. Yeah, I figured you were gonna say. I was like, I don't think there's no need to go super high up on it. Just
no. Yeah, from here is up good. There's no point.
Yeah.
And then also with that, the OG metal is way
better
than
China metal. Yeah, because the China metal looks it's sometimes it's close to how it looks, but not quite.
Yeah.
How
And
it's
not
supposed
only
to
that,
be.
it's never as thick as the original.
Yeah. Okay, Joe. So question. I see how you're rolling, and what's your prognosis? Year, 2 years, 5 years? What we thinking?
No, my goal is like we had said.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Close to a year as possible.
Okay, for sure. You know, like I said,
it might be a little bit longer, of course, because
we see all this extra stuff we're seeing.
I was supposed to just snatch it off and take it to sandblasting, but
yeah, we seeing.
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, because it's gone in the front half too. I see that. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that was a big crack.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Oh, that shit's missing.
Yeah, I was like, ooh, but I think we got some of that metal inside these pieces I gave you. Yeah. Well, actually, no. Yes and no. One of them we do, one of them we don't.
I'm glad I saved you.
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, okay. All right. For sure.
Yeah.
You the man. Yeah. So.
I can cut those out.
Okay.
And I'll make that work in there.
All right. What was that?
See, they're supposed to be galvanized.
And those weren't galvanized, or those are just too far, so far?
They just sit forever, so they're probably just. They will eventually rust.
It will eventually rust. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
See, like the front piece.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is any car out of Cali in there.
Yeah, running some stuff. Yeah, we got the worms open and we're digging deep.
Yep.
So, any other unknowns we come across besides the stuff you just informed me of that you can see? Oh, anything weird going on about the frame so far? Are we okay on the frame?
No, yeah, the frame looks good.
Okay, I know the back looked kind of thinnish in the back.
Yeah, but they sell that back piece actually.
Oh, okay. I didn't know they did.
From where it goes box to that little piece that goes across the back.
Okay.
Yeah, they sell that piece.
Well, I'm gonna get that for you then. I'll look into that and get that. Okay. Well,
I think, like I said, those little corner pieces.
Yeah, had to be.
Worst to worst, like I said, I could make those.
Yeah.
That one I could make those.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. For sure. Bruce come over to cut my top up already. These bullshit, and I said, man, I'll be cutting my top up.
What I seen when I went to go take it out, where it's hanging on by like this, the back window's hanging on by like that much because it's just come unthreaded.
Oh yeah, well I wasn't worried about saving it. I just told him don't sit there and cut my top up. When he puts it back on, at least it can be structurally there. So when the people,
That's the cage bolt.
That's a cage bolt. Yeah.
And the newer ones, they come a lot thicker. They're like twice as thick.
So you can buy just this piece?
Yeah, it's this piece with the nut part in it.
Oh, you want me to get you that then?
Yeah.
I'll look online and see if I can find those. Yeah. Cage bolts need 2 of them. How many you need?
No.
4? I see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. These right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the
Get 6, I think.
Oh, the bottom panels didn't come with them in there already?
No, they don't. Like,
oh, that don't have none of them in it?
no, I don't have them.
Oh.
It has the originals, but they don't have them for the convertible.
Oh, okay.
The hard tops, the original mount, but not the. Yeah, see, one goes that hole right there.
Yeah.
Like I said, I just did that one, and then the other one goes here.
Okay, so you need 6 of them.